going? I bet he was going this way.
I don't believe you believe it, son.
Oh, dude. That's nasty. Wow. Now they're not there. These guys are just going so freaking fast.
Hey, remember everybody passing it?
Yeah.
Wow. These are the big guys. Well, that guy was in the middle.
That guy was in the middle, too.
Sometimes worse if they take the road out. They're getting down in the bottom. Now, does this guy go through the fence? Oh, shoot. Yeah, he did. Oh, my God.
Was that a guy that passed it?
Yeah.
Was it?
Yeah, it
I
was.
remember him, Joe.
Yep.
Hey, like, I got somewhere I gotta go. Now I can't, which way are they going, Dave? How do they get that? I don't know how they get the jack